For most men, turning on a woman is next to impossible, and it is a yes. For almost 90% of men. Yes, we men are not born seducers, and if you are, then you are good to go without this video. This video is for those men who want to turn on women and are thinking of reaching that level. Well then, this video is for you guys. Let me tell you one thing, I'm not saying you can get instant results right from the beginning. It takes practice and experience to reach a god level in flirting and making women turn on for you. Just by listening you won't gain anything, until or unless you implement it. So, let's get started. Number 1, the way you smell is really important. Yes, of course. The way you smell is really important. Let me tell you one thing, if you just smell sweaty or dirty, do you think women would even allow talking to you close enough? It's not gonna happen, guys. Quite a few researches have proven that a good smell can turn women on. It's not just the smell of your body, it's even related to your breath. Your breath should not stink when you make your first move. If you take care of yourself, that means you are good with your hygiene, and that's great. Number 2, connect with her in an emotional way. It has been scientifically proven that women make themselves feel comfortable with their men when feel emotionally connected. This is a huge one. Never think of making a sexual move with a woman if you are not connected to her emotionally. This doesn't mean you can't flirt with her or touch her. You just need to keep in mind that you cannot be forcing women sexually if you are not emotionally connected. Well then, how to reach an emotional level if you ask me? It's through talking and the exchange of emotions regularly. Number 3, the way you touch her. The game is getting serious. Even before emotional connection with women, it's really important to break the touch barrier. It's because women get more comfortable when they are used to your touch. They behave the way you touch them. A proper touch can also turn on a woman. That is the real reason why breaking a touch barrier is really very important. Just keep in mind to not touch her private areas, just to not mess up. Do remember you are not there yet. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.